This is what's in my Lady Dior bag. My whole life is in this bag right now because I'm playing Princess Diana on The Crown. The Lady Dior bag that we know was renamed for her. And I have been using a different bag on set, but this is mine. And it's full of my things, and it's a whole universe in this bag. Okay, so this is a very important journal. It's full of secrets. I find I'm a person that I need to write things down. I think I started when I was in acting school 400 years ago. It's funny as an actor that the thoughts kind of fly into your head, usually at the strangest moments. Nobody can see what is in here. These I am obsessed with. They're little sunglasses. I love them. I think I stole them from a shoot. No, I didn't steal them. I fell in love with them and then asked for them. I like to think they're sort of like a little disguise, although I think they make you more conspicuous than less. But anyway, this, I'm always waking up at like 4:30 in the morning, and then I've been at work for many, many hours before I have anything to eat. So then I had to find a way to take my vitamins with me to set. But it's so cute. No, not that. This is my old friend. I really like being on the other side of the camera, so captured. I like to photograph set and people in costumes, and it's like a Crown collection on film. This, I really love small little things. I don't know why, it's just a thing and a thing and a thing. This has my headphones in it, which are also in a case. Maybe I have a case thing. I don't know what's going on. These I obviously use to listen to things and podcasts. And in this magical tiny bag is a magical tiny note. It's from my best friend. We were doing a play together at the time. It says, "Hi there, my name is Elizabeth. I am an actor. I think I'm not very good, but actually, I'm great." Asterisk, in the literal sense. This is my sister. She's so sweet. And we're in our parents' garden. There's this great big tree in Australia. It's hard to be away from her, so I always have her in mind. And these are my not so cool reading glasses. This is my true self. It's actually really hard to find a piece of this incredible book by Maggie Nelson. It's about a murder trial, so it's not an upper. This is my tiny sheep bag. We have very important things in here, like this, which is, I'm very fond of this because of its sort of, I feel like the closer we get to the 90s, the more we're allowed to wear these kind of colors, but I tend to not do big, full. I tend to just kind of, I'm a dabber. And then sometimes I use it like a blush too. Multipurpose. This is the queen of all. Is supposed to sculpt your face. We don't know what it does, but you kind of push it around. It's a nice placebo to make you feel like you can go on camera every day of your life. I choose to believe her, so I love her. I can never find anything in my bag. I know it's in here somewhere. As an actor, you just brush your teeth like 1,200 times a day. I don't know if all other actors do that. I think that's all. That's all. No more secrets in here. Now you know everything about me and what is in my Lady Dior bag.